Hello again, guys. This time I brought you this ICT fair value gap indicator. This concept, you know, that is not mine. It's from Michael, ICT, or whatever you want to call it. And the main reason for making this indicator, it's because there are some people that are new to this concept that don't know how to identify it. So having a little help, a little visual help on charts to find them, to find the fair value gaps, it would help them to identify it better. Of course, you don't need an indicator that shows you the fair value gap, but once you train your eye to see it, you will not use this indicator if you don't want to. So for the people that says to me that you don't need an indicator for this or this or this, yeah, you don't need it. But if you don't want to use it, just don't use it. Another question that some people has told me is that what is the difference between this indicator and the trading view indicator? Well, the main difference is that this indicator is developed for Metatrader. Okay, that's the main difference. I was a TradingView Pro Plus member, but I will never, ever again pay them a TradingView membership. It's a bullshit. Okay, so if you want to use TradingView indicators related to ICT, I encourage to use Nephew Sam indicators. Nephew Sam indicators are so awesome. And no, he's not paying me anything to say in this, okay? But if you don't want to use TradingView and you want to use Metatrader as myself, this indicator maybe can help you to identify the fair value gaps, okay? So with that said, you can go to this page. I released the indicator on Sunday, I guess, but just the MT4 platform. But now you have these two buttons. If you click this button, you will download the MT4 version of this indicator, and you click here, you will download the MT5. Okay, so the features are the same, but some users say that the unfilled fair value gaps, these are the unfilled fair value gaps, projected to the infinite. So I changed the code to just draw the unfilled fair value gaps to time current. Okay, so now they will draw to the time current, not to the infinite. So name a fair price, you will put 0 because it's free. If you want to support my work, you can put any amount in here, 1, 2, whatever you want. Okay, and if you want to support me in another way, you can buy me a book in here. It's another like a donation, but it's a minimal donation. It's not like 100 or whatever. As I said, if you want to support my work and you can do it, do it. If you can, and if you don't want to, just don't do it. It's okay for me. So if you are MT4 user, click here. If you want MT5, click here. Then click I want this, put your email, put get, and you will have your indicators, right? I put this indicator here. Let me show you here. Okay, so you will have your indicators download here in your downloads folder, so you can just click and drag. But let me show you how I open this folder. Okay, so go to your platform. This is MT4. Click in File, Open Data Folder, once the folder is open, click on MQL4 indicators. Now open your downloads folder, click and drag. It's done. You don't need to close the MT4 to your indicator to load. Just click Ctrl N or Command N if you are on Mac, but if you're on Windows, click Ctrl N and this window will pop up. Now click here in indicators, then right click here and click in refresh. Now let's see, you have here the fair value gap indicator. Just click and drag. Okay, this is the setup. This is the bars. The indicator will look for the fair value gap. So this is the 0 bar. Let me show you here. It's lava. Sorry, my daughter. So it's 100 bars. So this is bar 0. The countdown start from here, this bar here, to the past. Okay, so this is bar 1. Maybe this is bar 100. So in all this range, the indicator will look for fair value gaps. Okay, use whole bars. The indicator use that 3-bar pattern, like 1, 2, 3. So this is the space between these three bars. Okay, so if you want to use whole bars, the indicator just will look for spaces in the bar. I recommend you to put this on false, but if you want to try it, because sometimes when you put whole bars, it finds you another fair value gap that when you put on false doesn't find it that way. But I use it always on false. Okay, so if you don't want to show fill fair value gaps, this can be in false as well. If you want to see it, just put it true. And these are the configurations for the color, the styles, and the background. Okay, so if you click OK here, you will see the fair value gaps here. Now they are drawn to the current time, as you see here. And this remove background is just to show the border. If I click here into false, now you will see this one, but to be honest, I don't like it. Okay, so okay, that's how you install the indicator in MT4. Now let's go to MT5. There you go. I have the indicator loaded here, but let me delete it. Now it's deleted, but okay, now the objects are gone. It's the same. Okay, I will close this one, go to file here, open data folder, MQL5 indicators, and just click and drag. Let me find my other folder here. Okay, just click and drag. You can now close the two folders, Control N or Command N if you're on Mac. Click here, or click here in indicators, click in refresh, and as you see, I I always put my indicators in this folder, my indicators, or the one that I am developing. But now the indicator is here, right? I don't put the indicator in any folder, so it's here. Okay, just click and drag. I explained you this in the other, so just click OK, and boom, you will have your fair value gaps loaded in the chart. As you can see here as well, it's just draw to the time current in the chart. Okay, even if you go to another time frame here, see, let's go to 1 minute, and there you go. So that's all for now. If you have any suggestions, or you have any ideas, or how can I improve this, you know that I will love to hear them. Okay, and if you find any book on the indicator, please let me know it as well to correct it, to fix it ASAP. Okay, so thank you guys for seeing this video, and see you next time. Bye.